Internet now, it's full, it's packed with these videos of people repairing things with noodles. You just take some noodles and you can repair a toilet or a sink or even a watermelon I've seen to be repaired. That made me laugh sometimes, but it is true. We rather prefer to discard and to buy a new one instead of repairing. This is the tendency in nowadays. And that made me think, independently of if the week of the creation is literal or not. For me it is, but this is another issue. And God took 6 days, 7 days in order to create this entire world. But after it was crushed, it takes him several thousand years to repair it. Until what point he loves us, that he rather preferred to take the long way to repair instead of discarding and recreate anew. You know, this is the love of God towards you and me.